In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh preview without redeploying in Base44. This will be a quick and simple walkthrough, but I'll explain each part so you understand exactly what's happening and why it's useful. The goal here is to update what you see in the preview of your app without having to go through a full redeploy every time you make a small change. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your app in Base44. Make sure you're in the editor view, not just looking at a live deployed version. You'll typically access this from your Base44 dashboard, where all your apps are listed. Choose the app you want to work on and open it so that you're in the editing environment. Once you're in the editor, look for the preview area. This is usually where Base44 shows you what your app currently looks like, based on the code or configuration you've set up. You might see this preview either in a dedicated preview tab or in a panel within the editor interface. It's the place you rely on to visually confirm that your recent changes look and behave the way you expect. Now, instead of redeploying the entire app after every small tweak, you can use the refresh option in the preview. At the top of the preview section, you'll see a small refresh icon. This typically looks like a circular arrow, similar to the refresh button you see in most web browsers. To update the preview, simply click on that refresh icon. When you click it, Base44 reloads the preview of your app using the latest version of your code or configuration in the editor, without pushing anything to a live environment. This is especially helpful when you're iterating quickly, testing layout changes, adjusting text, or refining your logic. If you don't immediately see your changes, give it a second or two, as the preview may need a brief moment to reload. Also, make sure you've saved any edits in the editor before refreshing, so the preview is based on your latest work. Using this refresh icon is a great habit to build while developing in Base44. It keeps your workflow fast and efficient, helps you spot issues early, and avoids unnecessary redeploys until you're truly ready to publish your updates.